Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a double Chanel unboxing to share with you. I think I mentioned in my last video that I had another item coming that I was able to get before the price increase, and then I ended up getting another item as well, so I'm going to share both of those in this video. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing, and then I'll explain why I chose this item after you see what it is. So I'm gonna do the first one. This is a true unboxing for this one. It arrived today. The other one I did open already because it was a purchase from eBay, and I wanted to make sure that everything was as it should be with that purchase, just because with eBay you just never know, but it was perfect, so I will share that after, but I'll do the true unboxing first. So this one came with the Chanel bag and everything, and here is the box, and that's the receipt. I will share pricing information afterwards. So this one is one I've never really looked at in person, so it will be my first time seeing this style in person, and I'm not 100% sure about it, but I thought I'd give it a try before the price increase. There's the box. It is an SLG, obviously. So here is the dust bag and care booklet to reveal. Here is my new wallet. Oh, it's really cute, actually. I was picturing it being huge, but this one is actually a nice size. So I bought this to go with my Chanel 19 bag, and I don't know about you guys, but I just love having matching sets. I just love having like a bag and an SLG that matches it, and so this one matches my black Chanel 19 perfectly. It's even in the goat skin, which is what my Chanel 19 is in. It's not in lamb, it's in goat, and a lot of the SLGs are in lamb skin, but this one is in goat skin, which I thought was great because it'll be nice and durable for for a black wallet to be nice and durable. I'll be able to use it a lot, and I don't have a wallet this style, like a longer wallet. This isn't one of those full-size long wallets. It's a medium size, but I don't have one in my collection right now. I only have card holders, and I have a couple of compact wallets, but nothing in this size. So let's take a look here. Okay, so the inside is the same color as the inside of my Chanel 19 bag. It's coming up really bright red on camera, but it's not quite this bright in person. So the reason I was kind of unsure about this was because there aren't a ton of card slots. So there's the 2 card slots there, but then there's also a pocket here and a pocket here. So I could put cards in both of those pockets, I think. And then there's a slip pocket here as well that could hold cards, as well as a zipped compartment here. And here's the authenticity card. It is a 29 series. So plus it has this back pocket, which I think is really handy. So yeah, I actually really like the size of this. I think this will be a really nice kind of different addition to my SLG collection, and I love that it's this nice goat skin leather that it just feels really nice and durable. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm so relieved because I don't know why I was picturing it being way too big and bulky, but it's not at all. Yeah, I love it. And I love the CCs here. So okay, so I'm pleasantly surprised about that one. So that is my first item, and I will share the price with you. Hang on. Okay, so here's my receipt. So the price before the price increase was 1,200 Canadian dollars plus tax here 13%. So the total came to $1,356. So yeah, definitely a pricey wallet, but I mean, it's Chanel. Their SLGs are pricey, and I don't even know what the price is now that the increase has happened here in Canada already. So glad to have gotten this. Okay, so let me put this to the side here. So the next item came in I have it labeled already, so I'm going to take the box, the top of the box off, but I'll show you what it came with. I've been labeling with my label maker all of my boxes for my bags and SLGs, so it's easy to find because I keep all the accessories in here, like the authenticity card, the dust bag, the ribbon, the camellia, all of the tags, if I have them, all stay in the box. And so finding the box to go with the bag or SLG is a bit of a pain if they're not labeled, so I've labeled all of them. So it came with the dust bag. It came with, oh, you're gonna see what it is with the tags, but it came with the camellia, which is on the top part of the box. It came with the receipt, and that's just the seller information. I will show you the card after I show you the item. So this item was again one to match my other Chanel 19 bag because, as I said, I love having matching sets. So here it is, and for this one I got the zipped coin purse, which is a style I love. It's probably my favorite SLG style that Chanel makes, and it is in the 19K turquoise color, the same as my bag. And it was brand new, and like I said, came with the full set, including receipt and tags. I'll show you the tags in a minute. And it is beautiful. It was hard to find because this is from 19K, so back last fall, and it is a 28 series. And it's just, I'm sure you've seen the style before. It's got the 3 compartments and holds lots of cards. And yeah, the leather on this one is actually lambskin, just like my bag, but it feels pretty durable, not like typical lambskin. I think it's got a coating like the bags do, and it has the beautiful CCs, the 19 style CCs, and yeah, it just goes with my bag perfectly. So I'm really happy to have a matching SLG for each of my Chanel 19 bags, which are like my favorite bags right now. So yeah, so that is my other purchase, and I'll show you the tags actually for this one. So yeah, it was from 19K. That's the code if you're looking for it. And then the retail price was $600 for this one. Turquoise color, coin purse, 19K, and I did pay a little bit more than that, I guess just because it's a hard to find item, but I was okay with that because I really wanted a matching SLG for this, and yeah, finding this color in an SLG or a bag was really hard. So yeah, so that is my unboxing for today. There are my 2 19 style SLGs. They're really, really pretty with the big quilting, and yeah, the goat skin doesn't feel that much different from the lamb. I'll just show you the difference. I don't know if you can see the difference. The goat again is a little bit shinier, just like on the bag, and it feels a little bit more durable, but they both feel like they're gonna hold up pretty well. Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.